Welcome back guys to Crypto for Light channel. Today we'll talk about AAVE targets updates with my customer Krasab. What's going on now? So guys, this is a potential for AAVE for this run from present price zone. It's a 389% gains, from present prices. And if we talk about that low in June 2022, it's really amazing gains if we will see the 1,473. Most conservative price, it's around 1,000, like round number 1,000. It's attractive. Always will be like a magnet for the investors to fix the profit, to put the limit orders, to sell open short positions. That's why yes, we can see some spike, to 110, for example. It's still will be like 2,000% gains. 2,000% gains. For comparison, let's take a look. Last cycle, November 2020, 2,475. So just in case, it's on a Binance, guys. Monthly time frame. AAVE, I think, will be one of not so many tokens which will hit the new all-time high. Just in case. Time to buy was here, consolidation since May 2022 till last test of 27 block June 2024, so almost 1.5 years. I don't think so we're gonna drop now to 18 level by FIP again. No, I think we will drop maybe to that levels later, but now this is upside move. So we got like drop, consolidation, impulse, correction, impulse. So the next step should be this block here. Of course, it's 0.5 level by FIP, 419, 477. After that, we have to be here in this range, fixation, new all-time high. And the road will be open to 975. People will start buying the AAVE around 700, I guess. So now no hype for AAVE, but I think we will see some hype. Now, of course, on the weekly time frame, we trade over exit line. The buy line on the weekly now it's 115 and 40. Highly recommend you go and check the main bull run plan for this token because nothing changes, guys. Basically, absolutely all targets relevant. So the most negative scenario, if in September, we will see something like this one, to test the buy line, form the global double bottom, the size anyway will be here. So I hope we will not see this sell-off, because I don't want to see the 50%. Of course, the market absolutely doesn't care what I want to see or not, but this possible scenario anyway with the upside direction. It's not about, oh, you talk only about to the moon. No, guys, it's a realistic targets by seasonality, by cycles. So some tokens will hit the new all-time high, some not. But anyway, it's still just conservative price target. It's not some crazy gains. I don't think so. That is a super cycle or so. No, I don't believe in that stuff. Nothing special now around the altcoins. Buy line on a daily, it's 186. I can't even imagine what should happen now. So the AAVE will dump to 186. Imagine the smell on other altcoins if AAVE dump that low. Only maybe if BTC will dump to 107K, for example. Possible, but locally it just looks like consolidation, right? Nothing special. ADZ direction, market mood, guys, take a look. On the daily, it's accumulation, still in the middle, nothing special. Not a distribution at all. Daily time frame on a direction, here was the time to sell, drop. Now nothing. No crazy and the madness euphoria on the daily, but kind of trill zone on a weekly. That's why if the market makers will decide to calm down the market, yes, guys, 170 a possible target. 167, 169 possible targets for AAVE. This is distribution on ADZ on the weekly time frame. Market mood in a free zone, direction, no signal to sell. Take a look, guys, the other indicators like trade on, sell, buy back, no signal to sell yet on the weekly and daily. Buy. The last one was in April. Here's a fixation, drop, buy back, fixation, drop, buybacks. Now nothing. So technically, yes, you can draw the trend lines, like here, rejection. Now we can build the support, so we can consolidate by end of, by middle of September, even in this range, like 300 and 285. And after that, anyway, I think we will go higher. If not, guys, of course, this can be the wider, wider triangle, like this one. And we can test again with a weak candle 170. I'm not a fan of triangles, guys. I'm more about liquidity. So we walk from one level to another one level. So it's just like consolidation. So looks like, yes, we can form the double bottom, but I hope not. I hope not. Ethereum, for example, around here. No, even around here. Sol around here. So many like big projects, you know, already perform pretty good ones. So I have a little bit lagging, right? Take a look. The last indicator is money power. Unfortunately, guys, no money inflow on the weekly. Money outflow was here in middle of June. Now no money inflow, nothing. Daily money inflow being here 260, 249, comfortable price for the whales. Good one, good one. But once again, guys, mark this level like a potential dump. From this current prices, it can be like a 42% drop. Honestly, for the altcoins, it's not a big deal. Main targets I showed you guys. If you would like to trade, as my customer said, up to 20% off, sell, discount right medium, subscribe channel. Don't forget Joe Matecov channel. See you next time, guys.